Today we discuss section 3.39. In this section we discuss the solutions of system of linear equations using matrices. For the sake of simplicity, we start with a simple matrix, say 3 by 3 matrix. For that we consider the system of linear equations in three linear equations in three unknowns, say a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. So we will discuss the solutions of this system of linear equations. Once you get this system of linear equation, you can convert this into the matrix form. The matrix representation of this system is a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3 into x y z, that is equal to d1 d2 d3. When you multiply LHS, you will get and equate to this d1 d2 d3, you will get the above linear system of linear equations. The first matrix is denoted by A, that is of order 3 by 3, and second is X 3 by 1, and third is B, that is again 3 by 1. So this Ax equal to B is the matrix representation. If this B equal to 0, that is d1 d2 d3 is 0, we can say that the system is called homogeneous linear equations. If B is not equal to 0, that is one of these d1 d2 d3 is non-zero, we can call this system as non-homogeneous equations. In fact, this Ax equal to B is called matrix equation. By solving a matrix equation, we mean to find the value of the matrix capital X, that is the values of x comma y comma z, which satisfies the above equations. Now we consider an arbitrary system. It need not be 3 by 3 or any other typical order. You consider an arbitrary system Ax equal to B, then this Ax equal to B need not always have solutions. It may have no solutions or unique solution or infinitely many solutions. So next we classify how we can get the solutions, or what is the behavior of the solutions of this Ax equal to B. A system of linear equations having no solution is called inconsistent system. While if a system has one or more solution, or at least one solution, we can say that system is consistent. So we can classify a system of linear equation into two. One is inconsistent, which has no solution, and another is consistent, which has at least one solution. In order to discuss the solution of linear system, we need to consider augmented matrix. The matrix obtained by adjoining the matrix B to the matrix A is called an augmented matrix. For example, if I take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 3, 1, 2, and B as 5, 2, 1, it's a column matrix, then the augmented matrix, it is in fact denoted by this symbol A colon B. So that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 3, 1, 2, and we adjoin B 5, 2, 1 to this. So this matrix is called augmented matrix. Now we can consider non-homogeneous system of equation. First, if rank of A and rank of augmented matrix are different and not equal, then the system is inconsistent. There will not be any solution for this. But if rank of AB is same as rank of A, augmented matrix and the original matrix A have the same rank that is equal to number of unknowns, then the system has unique solution. It is always consistent in this case. If rank of A is equal to rank of AB, where that rank is less than number of unknowns, then again system is consistent as well, but the system has infinitely many solutions. So using the rank and number of unknowns, you can classify the solution being infinite or finite. Now we can consider homogeneous system. In contrast to non-homogeneous system, this homogeneous system has always has solutions, because x equal to 0 is always a solution for this ax equal to 0. We know that for a homogeneous system, d1, d2, d3 or b is 0, then ax equal to 0 is the representation. So x equal to 0 is always a solution for this system. So homogeneous system is always consistent. And the zero solution is called a null solution or trivial solution. So homogeneous system has always trivial solution. Therefore, a system of homogeneous equation has either trivial solution or an infinite solution. That is, if rank of A, obviously rank of A is same as rank of AB in this case, because B is 0, so rank of A and rank of A0 is always same. So if that rank is same as number of unknowns, then it has unique solution. If rank of A is less than number of unknowns, it has infinitely many solutions. So this is the classification of solutions of homogeneous system of linear equations. This completes section 3.39.